What's up guys, C2113 here. I wanted to show you guys just how quiet this Amico generator here is. And so what we're going to do is going to compare it to the Pulsar that I did a video of just a couple weeks ago. Now, remember that's a 2-stroke, 4-stroke. I mean, they're totally different, but I still want to give you a comparison in that that's about half the output of this, yet this is loads quieter. In addition, you know, it's not just the decibels or the volume, but also the tone, and you know, the drone of a 2-stroke at idle really is a lot more to deal with than a 4-stroke. You know, not to mention just, you know, obviously you've got a sound isolating casing with the Amico, and on the Pulsar it's pretty much minimal. It's basically an open frame but a mini version. So we're gonna go ahead and start them up. Both engines have been warmed up for about 5 minutes each. So, you know, they're both at operating temperature, so they've smoothed out to what they're going to smooth out to be. And both have no load on them. And because the Amico is a inverter generator and has a eco throttle mode, we're going to try both eco and not eco. But I just want to show you the difference. So we'll start with the Pulsar first, and then we'll go to the Amico AIG2000. Guys, so there it is. There's the Pulsar, and keep in mind that we are about 5 feet away from both these generators. Alright, now we're going to switch to the Amico. This is on full throttle or the base setting, not eco. We'll go ahead and put it into eco now. So as you can probably see, or I hope you can see, here, the Amico is definitely a lot quieter. And although I don't personally have a Honda to compare it to, I honestly I would say it can probably give a Honda a real good run for its money. There it is, guys, just a basic comparison. I feel like a lot of people have seen or heard those little 2-strokes. A lot of companies make them. Harbor Freight sells a version of that. They're ubiquitous in the cheap generator market, but I don't think that many people have seen this Amico, and so I kind of just wanted to give a little comparison. I know Honda to Amico comparison would be more useful, but hopefully this just shows you just how quiet this thing is. Thanks for watching, guys.